So I'm going to show how to do various functions, sum, average, min, max in Excel. On the left you have just a variety of random numbers, but you can use the numbers that you need to do. In order to use the sum, there are various functions you can do. You essentially just have to use the equals key. So you hit equals, and then you choose your function, which in this case is sum. Then you hit tab, and then you can choose the various numbers. So in this data set, we're going to go in and sum these numbers. And for that, we're going to get 8.31564. So that's the sum of it. If you want to take the average, you hit equals, average. Again, take the set of numbers. There's the average. If you want to have the min, it goes equals, min, then take the numbers. If you want the max, you hit equals max. Then select again the range in there. And you can do the range in many different ways. You can either, like for example, if you want to put the range here, if you don't want to use your keyboard, you can go like this. Then you have that range. You can also quickly calculate these numbers down here. You see how you have the average, you have the count, you have the sum. You can right click here, and you can choose the min and the max. And then now you have all these things down here. Now maybe you don't want the count. You can then remove the count. Now the count is gone. Now the count is added on there. So these are various functions. You can always adjust these functions by clicking here. So when you hit insert function, it's going to show you what function you're using here. So right now we're using the max function. You can then provide the number, and in this case we're doing a range, and it gives you the amount. And that's it. That's how you do the sum, average, min, and max in Excel. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like it, please do like it. It definitely helps me out. And I'll be creating more videos. Thanks so much for your time. Thank you.